Hey, this is Rob Carpenter, the author and electrical instructor. Today, I want to talk about tools that an apprentice would need. So today, I want to talk about some of the things that when you start out as a new electrician, some of the things that you would totally need to be successful in the field. The first thing, you got to get yourself a tool belt. Yeah, like you got to find something that makes yourself feel comfortable because you're going to be climbing up and down the ladders and you're going to be working in some very tight spaces. So you want to get yourself a nice tool belt, and you want to get one that's sturdy and one that you can throw in the washing machine, take it out. It doesn't, it keeps its shape and it keeps its form. The other thing I want to start off with is you're going to need a lineman pliers. Yeah, this is for bonding wire. This is when you're grabbing wire or you're grabbing a wire that's hot. You're going to need yourself a lineman's. Second thing you're going to definitely need, you're going to need some angle cutters, what they call these dikes. These dikes right here, usually when you're dealing in a commercial wiring, or you want to cut a piece of wire or something, or cut something that's in your way, or you're working on something, you just need to cut it. And then some people call them angle cutters, these here. The third thing you would definitely need, you definitely going to need yourself some wire splicers, something that's going to splice the wire, pull the insulation off the wire. And I suggest these are Klein's, a great tool. I love to use them, and they have several different types of wire strippers. The fourth thing is you need a screwdriver. And you want to get yourself a 5-in-1. They have 11-in-1s, have 10-in-1s. They have lots of difference. And reason they call it a 5-in-1 because you can change it in and out. You can flip the sides, and you could just and it allows you to add other pieces by just pulling this off, and you have other heads like Phillips heads, flat heads, um, and then you definitely need a 5-in-1. And the big thing that I think that's important, and that's a safety kit, and that's a safety help, is this pin tester. This allows you when you're going up in spaces and you just want to test the wire, make sure it's hot or if it's not hot, so you won't get electrocuted while you're in the field. I tell every young electrician these are one of the most important. And then what happens is when you get in the field, you're gonna learn more and more and more about the various different tools that you would need to use. And the better your tools are, the better you are as an electrician. I tell you, don't go cheap on your tools, or you can really hurt yourself in this field. Uh, fi- um, Find out what's the best tool, and you don't have to spend $1 million, but you need to spend a decent amount of money so your tools can be correct. And so I'm gonna give you some companies that I use: Milwaukee, Fluke, Klein, DeWalt. Those four companies that I stay within the realms of using. So again, this is Big Rob, the author and the electrical instructor. Like and subscribe, and just learn more when you come into this page. Come and learn more and more and more about being an electrician and how being an electrician could be profitable. And if you're starting off very young, be open to listen and be open to learn. Peace.